Government of India, Ministry of Railways. Connectivity of Imphal through rail. Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAM. Will the Minister of Railways be pleased to state the progress of railway line construction to connect Imphal? The year in which the project to connect Imphal by Indian Railways was initiated, along with the originally set target date for completion, including the detail of revisions to the target dates indicating the reasons for such changes. The current timeline for the project's completion, the total expenditure incurred on the project so far, and the estimated cost for the remaining work, and the details of passenger and goods trains currently operating to and from Manipur along with their frequencies. Answer was provided by Sri Ashwini Vaishnaw, Minister of Railways, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information Technology. Jiribam to Imphal, that is 111 kilometer new line project, has been taken up for connecting Imphal with Indian Railways network. Latest anticipated cost of the project is 22,274 crore and expenditure of 14,423 crore has been incurred on the project up to 31/03/2024. An outlay of 1,200 crore has been provided for the financial year 2024-25. 55.36 kilometer from Jiribam to Khongsang has already been commissioned. Work has been taken up in balance stretch. Poor geological strata like highly weathered rock and loose soil hampering progress of tunneling in this region. Further soil, law and order problem, frequent closure of NH37 causing difficulty in transportation of construction resources and major landslide in Tupul area in June 2022 have also affected the progress of work. Completion of railway projects depend on various factors like quick land acquisition by state government, forest clearance by official or forest department, shifting of infringing utilities, statutory clearances from various authorities, geological and topographical conditions of area, law and order situation in the area of projects, site, number of working months in a year for particular project site due to climatic condition, etc. And all these factors affect the completion time of the projects. With above constraint, every effort is being made to execute the projects expeditiously. As the railway network straddles across state boundaries, trains are operated as per network requirement across such boundaries. However, to cater to the needs of the passengers of stations located in the state of Manipur, Indian Railways operate two pairs of train services. 55665, 55666 Silchar, Bangai Chunpao passenger daily 12097, 12098 Agartala Khongsang Jan Satabdi Express tri-weekly, keeping in view the concerns of the state government of Manipur. The services has been temporarily suspended since 4th May 2023. Details of the freight traffic handled at Jiribam and Khongsang terminal in the financial year 2024 to 25 up to Feb 2025 is Jiribam 15.5, number of racks handled, Khongsang 16.